Welcome to Triplets Unique Family. Here we do mukbangs, challenges, and lifestyle. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.
Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel. It's your girl Mama Triplets in the building, and we have Auntie Triplets in the building.
You are funny.
So guys,
You are funny.
we actually finished making a video. Okay, so please check it down there. You're going to see it. We finished and we made the fast eating challenge. Go and watch it because I pranked her. Go and see what happened in that video. So today we are actually eating over. So it's also first to finish challenge. It's fast eating challenge. So let's see who is going to win. She's my friend. If you're new here on this channel, she's my friend. Okay, she came to visit me and I told her, let's do this challenge. Let's do a fast eating challenge. So that is what we are doing right now. So don't forget to subscribe, share, like, do all those good things. Thank you so much. And so she's also Mama Boys, okay? Her name is Chidinma. She's Mama Boys. So we have Mama Boys in the building.
Boys.
So guys, we are actually starting now, okay? One, I hope you guys can see it very well. 1, 2. I forgot to tell you guys, if you see any white stain on my body, it's because she won. On the other video we did, okay, she won, so she poured white powder on my body. So if you see it, ignore. But this one, I'm going to win her.
Let's see now. Let's see who is going to win.
This one, I'm going to win her. Just be hailing me on the comment section. Just stay in the comment section.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Jesus. Oh,
Mama. Mama, you're not clean.
guys, you know when I promise someone, I know they disappoint. I would never disappoint. I told you guys I'm going to win her. I told you guys I'm going to win her. Now what happened? So guys, you see?
She will not kill me. Mama,
So please comment on the comment section. Is your favorite and your personal person Mama Triplets in the building? And I want her anti-triplets. Hey guys. So I know say the loser will receive something. I know say the loser will receive something.
Mamma mia. A drop.
Come back again.
Who vice drop?
Come back again. Just come back again. Guys, I just want to beat her because you know she'll be going back to her house. I don't want her to look like a mad person. You understand? That is why you see now. You know, so I have
Ojuju Klaba.
I don't want her to look like Ojuju Nigeria.
Ojuju Nigeria. Ojuju Klaba.
So that is why I'm doing it like this. Normally, I'm supposed to pour the powder very well on her face or even on her clothes, but you know, because of God, let me just
Mama Pity.
tamper justice with mercy.
Mama
You understand? Let me tamper justice with mercy. So
Mama
guys,
Mercy, Mama Pity.
So guys, since she's here, please thank her for me for coming. We actually plan. We want to do other, like we want to do many videos. We have done one already. This one is the second one. We also want to do another video. Okay, it's also a prank. No, not prank. A mukbang video. So guys, keep watching. After this video, another one day. Okay.
Okay, with one stomach.
So in case you keep seeing us with the same clothes, it's because we are doing many videos, okay, before she will now start going back to her house. To get this woman no easy. She's working. From next week she'll be very busy. So now that she's here, I need to make videos with her, okay? So thank you so much for watching up to now. I will say may God bless you all. See you all in our next video. And
thank you guys.
Before then,
Thank you.
Ciao.
Thank you for watching us. Thank you. Don't forget to comment.
Ciao.